Hi, this is Johnny from Focus Camera. Today we're looking at Sigma's new 28-70 F2.8 DG DN contemporary lens, which is compatible with Sony E-mount and L-mount cameras. Let's do this. So the first thing that jumps out to me about this lens is its build. It's very light and small. Before I even put it on my camera, I could tell it was going to be a great lens for everyday use. The compact build, versatile focal range, and max wide aperture makes this a really exciting new release. It weighs just 16.6 ounces, which is nearly a pound lighter than Sigma's 24-70 F2.8 art lens, one of my favorite lenses, and a few ounces lighter than Tamron 28-75 F2.8. In fact, it's the smallest 2.8 zoom lens for full-frame mirrorless cameras currently available. While it's not as wide as the 24-70, the reduction in size is a great trade-off. Plus, the lens is still wide enough to use comfortably for landscape or wide-angle photography. Mirrorless camera systems are getting smaller and smaller, so I'm really excited that Sigma's releasing new lenses aligned with that trend. Normally, I don't mind a little weight on my lens, but it's uncomfortable to use a lens that's bigger and heavier than your camera. That won't be a problem with this lens at all. The lens has a dust and splash-proof polycarbonate build, 67mm filter size, focus switch on the side, and smooth-moving focus and zoom rings. It doesn't have a zoom lock switch like the 24-70, but I confirmed it doesn't have any issues with lens creeping. You can also push-pull the front element to adjust the zoom. It's a really well-built lens. Moving on to performance, the lens continues to impress. We had a lot of snow in New York last week, so we had a lot of fun going out there and getting some really cool shots. It was also a great opportunity to test out the lens weatherproofing, and it didn't disappoint. The lens has a dust and splash proof mount, along with water and oil repellent front element coatings. We didn't have any issues with droplets or fog sticking to the lens. Even though it was snowing while we were shooting, I didn't have to wipe the lens one time. In terms of photo output, I was really happy with the quality of the photos I took. The lens offers edge-to-edge sharpness, and we didn't encounter any issues with aberrations. This isn't a macro lens, but I was still able to get some really nice close-up graphic shots. Meanwhile, the wide 2.8 aperture means the lens will also serve you well, even in low light conditions. Overall, the Sigma 28-70 2.8 Contemporary is a fantastic new lens. It's compact, lightweight, performs great, and it only costs $899. It's available for pre-order now. If you enjoyed this review, please like and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comments below what lens you'd like us to review next. This is Johnny from Focus Camera. See you next time. Adios.